Hey guys, today I have a really exciting video for everyone because we are talking about Bitget Wallet and the product is Bitget Wallet Debit Card. Basically, this product will allow you to spend your crypto in the real world, to buy coffee, to go to the gym, to go to nightclubs, and much more. But before that, I need to remind you, I'm not a financial advisor. This video is not a financial advice. Crypto is risky and this video is purely for educational purposes. Today we're talking about Bitget Wallet and especially Bitget Wallet Debit Card. First of all, as usual, let's jump into the main page to learn more about this product, how it all works, how it's different, what's unique about it, and later I'll talk about all the other features which I think are really interesting because you can actually earn on your stable coins. So first of all, you can see on the right we have this good looking blue card, and you can see they're partnered with MasterCard, and if you scroll down you can see you can use this card all over the world. And this is where unique features comes in, because with this card you can shop online, of course, using your crypto. You can buy gift cards, you can buy game credits with up to 30% off, and travel services using crypto directly. Next up, which is a really big feature for me because I travel a lot, they accept QR payments, which is a really big thing in Asia. So for example, in Vietnam, Philippines, Brazil, you can actually pay with QRs, which if you've never been there could sound strange, but if you travel, it's actually a really big deal. And so far, no traditional bank or fintech company was offering this service from what I know. And this is really great for me personally because it combines crypto. Again, I'm the crypto channel and I can just actually spend crypto with these QR codes. And also they offer Solana Pay. After that, they have, of course, their card, this physical card, and also card you can actually add to Apple Pay and Google Pay, which again right now is one of the most popular ways to spend crypto. Also, it's almost similar color as my case, and it's supported in Europe, Asia, Latin America for the real world payment. And if you like what you're hearing, there's actually more, because if you scroll down you can see you can actually get it set it up in a few minutes. All you need to do is download the app. It's really easy to do for Google Play, App Stores. I will leave all the links in the description. Next up, you have to select your region, your country, and just verify your account, and you will have your card. Next up, Bitget Wallet partnered up with MasterCard to actually bring this card to life, so you get safe and secure payments with MasterCard merchants globally. Next up, as I mentioned, you get seamless payments with Google Pay, Apple Pay, Alipay, and WeChat. So if you're in Asia, this is huge, and they have zero hidden fees. And this is actually again really big if you compare to traditional finance. So there's no top-up fee. So when you top up your card, it's for free, and no rate markup. So when you're exchanging currency, there is no markups. Again, really great for travelers and also for people holding crypto who want to spend their stablecoins in the physical stores. But what's really cool for me, when you download Bitget Wallet, is not only a card you get, you're getting also earn features. You can see right here, earn. So let's jump in there. That allows you to earn on your stable coins, which is a huge thing right now when the altcoins are bleeding, when Bitcoin is dumping, people are selling their altcoins, their meme coins, all these tokens, and people are stabling up, which means all of these people are now holding USDC or USDT. And of course, with the inflation, you are losing value. And this is where Bitget Wallet is offering pretty high rewards for your stable coins like USDC, which is again really regulated. First of all, they have US Treasury grade stability, 10x higher annual yield. You can withdraw your funds at any time. So you can see you start earning interest instantly after deposit with 24/7 flexible access. And you can withdraw your funds anytime without any lockups, delays, or waiting. And I think this feature could be really interesting, especially now when the market is down, people are selling their risky assets. And again, Bitcoin, Ethereum are pretty risky. Meme coins are extremely risky. So people are holding lots of USDC. So with Bitget Wallet, you can actually earn on your USDC. And also you can spend your USDC in the real world with one of the best conditions in the market. And also if you use their wallet, they have many other features. So let's jump into our demo account. So you can see right here, my wallet, you see your funds. So if you want to add funds, just click add funds, select if you want to buy crypto or if you want to send crypto from your other wallets. All the main tokens are supported. Next up, you can trade all the crypto tokens. So let's click trade. You can swap it. You can use perpetuals, or you can buy stocks in the same app. Next up, we have the market, so you can actually learn more about the markets, what's happening, all the different latest tokens, the hottest tokens, basically just follow what's happening, and also you can buy and sell different tokens. And lastly, we have wallet. This is where you can actually order your card, so you can click activate, select your country and region, apply, and you can actually submit information to confirm and get your debit card. Again, in my opinion, it's really simple and clean UI. And again, we have the earn features. You click on earn, you can see all the APIs. You can click subscribe, add USDC to your earn account, and start earning rewards. Again, as simple as it gets. And guys, as usual, I will leave all the links in the description. If you have any questions, you can join our free Discord, the link in the description and also top comment. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.